I'm Dusty with EGM. I'm going to go over operation and mode changes on a Vector Series drive. All right, we're going to factory reset the Vector drive. This helps if you have some parameters that you don't know what they have been changed to. So we'll hit the M, enter. We'll scroll to parameter 199. We'll hit enter. We'll change this to 3. And we'll hit enter. All right, your drive is now factory reset. We will go to local mode. So after the factory reset, your drive will work out of the box. Start, stop the drive. All right, the parameters that we will change will be your X cell and D cell. So we'll go to parameter 104, is at 20 seconds. We'll take it down to 5. We hit enter. We hit enter again, go to 105. Hit enter, we'll take this one down to 5. We'll hit enter. Then we can start the drive. You adjust your hertz with the up and down arrow.